another review. In this video, we're going to talk about another awesome marketing tool software that you'll find exciting in your business. But before we get into the video, click the link below where you'll be able to check out some awesome tools, bonuses that you'll be able to grab if you pick up this awesome tool. But now let's jump into the video.
Introducing Viral Valet, your ultimate tool to tap into the booming world of viral videos and effortlessly generate traffic and profits. With our special early bird offer of 72% off, you can instantly access a groundbreaking app that allows you to leverage. Imagine turning trending viral clips into your own split-screen or reaction-style videos in just minutes, no technical skills or extensive editing knowledge required. Our powerful engine not only provides a library of thousands of preloaded viral V. With the included agency license, you can even create videos for clients, unlocking a new revenue stream. Plus, you'll receive a comprehensive 30-day challenge blueprint to guide you toward viral success. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to broaden your reach, Viral Valet simplifies the process so you can focus on what you love while watching Yo. Don't let this limited-time launch offer slip away. Secure your access to Viral Valet today and start transforming your video creation journey into a viral sensation. Right now you can get Viral Vault at a special price, but act fast, this special pricing can change at any time. Viral Vault is an amazing tool that is for sure worth investing in. This is a limited-time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.
If you're watching this video, don't forget to pick up the bonuses after you purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.